Hi Sunshines, I'm LoriAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And together we are MADCURLS. And welcome to another MADCURLS tutorial. But this is not just any tutorial. This is actually a Mother's Day themed tutorial. Sponsored by Pantene Gold Series. We're going to be styling our hair with the Pantene Gold Series line and talking about our hair and motherhood.
And what hair means to us.
Yes, and our relationship. So it's going to be a tutorial, chatty, right up MADCURLS alley. Typical MADCURLS, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so if you want to see us style our hair, talk about our relationship, then
Please keep watching.
please keep watching. So first things first, water. So we are actually very excited to be diving back into the Pantene Gold Series line. You have been talking about it since we've started diving again.
Yeah, it's always been one of my favorite lines, you know, but you forget there's just so much stuff sometimes out there, especially for us because we review.
Yeah.
So but no, I forgot that, what do they call it? Good.
You forgot the good.
Got the good.
So we
girl.
kicked off the hair today with shampooing, conditioning our hair, of course, Pantene Gold Series.
Right.
The Moisture Boost shampoo and the Moisture Boost conditioner. Girl, you want to hold the conditioner?
No.
So this is what we shampooed and conditioned our hair with.
The shampoo
Both amazing.
alone. Remember my hair like last night? You're like, you might want to get a hold of that head because it was late and she knows it takes me forever to do nothing. So she wanted to be ready when she got home from work today. So I did that last night and my hair was extremely dry and tangled last night. And when I washed it, I was like, oh my God, like I remember.
Yeah, and then the conditioner, like your hands just like just glide right through. So that's what we both did. Rinsed out the conditioner. Now our stylers, this is actually new.
Yeah.
This is their hair repair line, and what I love about this line is that it's all about reducing breakage.
Yeah.
And it says it can reduce hair breakage up to 50% and it makes the hair 2 times stronger. So there's a range, but we're going to be styling with the anti-breakage combing cream. And we're going to be doing it as a one and done, although you can use their other stylers to add if you need something like their curly pudding or we have the hydrating buttercream here.
Right.
But this is fantastic. And the Pantene Gold Series line was created by Black scientists, and it's for relaxed hair, natural hair, transitioning hair, and we love Gold Series up in here.
It says that. Yeah, it says that on the back that it was for natural, relaxed,
transitioning. Yep.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So this is what we're going to be styling our hair with here as we sit here and chat.
Okay.
All right.
So I'm trying to determine. You did as a one and done. I'm trying to determine if. Sorry, guys, my nose is itching a little bit. I'm trying to determine if I should just add un dollop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this goes down first. So you apply on damp hair, run through your palms, and then you said you can use a wide tooth comb, style as usual, and it's supposed to really detangle your hair.
Okay.
And then it says style as usual. So if you wanted to go in with the hydrating buttercream, which is like a leave-in cream, you could do that.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I think, you know what? Yeah, I'll just like you said, just start with that.
All right.
All right.
So a question here we have is, what role does hair play in our relationship, our mother-daughter relationship? And I'm just like, it is the relationship. It's the whole thing. Not the whole thing, but it's huge. It's major.
There's so much more, of course, to our relationship than our hair. But hair is, like you said, it's a major part of our relationship because of what we do. On our YouTube channel.
Right? We're a mother-daughter hair duo on YouTube. You know, we're MADCURLS and we do hair and we bond over hair. We bond over products. We bond over styles. We bond over hair crisis.
Yeah, exactly.
And
we bond over our likes and our dislikes and our familiarities and our similarities
and differences. Yeah. And I said, it seems like we always go through like hair
our journey together, right?
Together, yeah. So we went natural together. We transitioned together. Ooh, look at this. So this is the combing cream.
Very nice.
Very nice. And so I'm just going to apply that. Yeah, we went natural together. Seems like when our hair sheds, it sheds together.
I know.
When we highlight our hair, it gets highlighted together. When we get haircuts, at the same time. Haircuts together. So it's a major.
Okay.
It's majorly.
Yeah, it is.
Major for
It
us.
is,
We
yeah.
bond over that, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. And it kind of, it brings out like, though, a lot of our relationship, it enhanced a lot of our relationship, I think, because of, during that journey, the things that I was going through. And just, I saw the compassion and I saw the maturity and the growth. And it's kind of like how our channel got started because of one aspect of my journey where I had to big chop my hair and I had no choice in the matter. And you were just there, just always like supporting. So here, I mean, that was just prominent at that point.
Yeah.
You know, kind of like when your hair is going through a rough time and you're losing it, it's falling out in a major way. I mean, it's just, you know, it can really have an emotional impact on you. And you were sensitive to that fact.
And I was trying to revive my channel, and I was like, hey, come on. I was like, because I have long hair. Like, I had really long hair at the time. And I was like, you have short hair. I was like, let them come see. I called them your curlies.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah,
come
you
show
did.
them your curlies. And the people fell in love with you. And they loved your hair.
They did.
So I'm just like combing the product through.
Yeah.
Look at how shiny.
Yeah,
Like,
you
the
do
curls
that.
bounce and the shine.
Yeah,
I love
it is.
a one product wash and go.
I like it's light and I just like the way it's not weighing my hair down, but yet you can tell that there's something in it, like holding it, keeping it nice and what I'm trying, like you can see that like it's holding it in place, so to speak.
Right. Look at the curlies. Thank you.
I love it.
My hair's so shiny. So, girl, how has motherhood changed for you over the last year or over the last few years?
I would think that the job of motherhood as I once knew it is pretty much over. I mean, like the raising. Now I get to sit back and reap the benefits of what I raised. And if I do say so myself, I think I did a really good job because you guys are fantastic. You guys are wonderful children and you're like excellent companions.
Girl, how many children do you have? Do we share that? How many? So there's me,
Yes.
of course.
Yes, and then you have two brothers, an older one and a younger one. And I raised you guys and it's just to my liking. Just exactly the way I would like if I would have drawn you myself. Love this stuff. So, yeah, you guys are fun now. You know, there's a time when you have children and their work. I mean, you enjoy them, of course, at every stage, but it's just a little bit more hands-on and it's work and it's constantly teaching and instructing. But now I really get to reap the benefits of how you guys were raised and I really enjoy it. You guys are friends now, you know, but yet you're still cognizant of the fact that I'm your mother. I will always be your mother. And so, of course, you're very respectful. You never lose sight of that. But now you guys are more helpers to me. You're there kind of whenever I really kind of like need you guys. And I love that about that. I love that about our relationship now, how it has evolved. Like that.
There's levels.
Yeah.
There's evolution.
There is. Like I never knew like to look forward to these days. I would kind of like mourn each stage as you guys grew older. I was just like, oh wow, you know. But every stage to me, it gets better and better.
Yeah.
And this is I really like the stage that my children, my adult children are at now. I love that.
I think this stage too, girl.
You
We're best friends. And we call each other girl.
We do.
Some people are like, oh, that's her mom.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
her
so
girl.
disrespectful. Like, no, that's just how we relate. It's what we do.
We call each other
I call
girl.
you girl, you call me girl.
And girl, what is a prominent hair memory that you have of us?
Oh my God. I'm already laughing because I already know what it is. I'm laughing because, you know, when we would go get the highlights, and like we said, we always did everything the same. So we would make the appointment and we both would go in, you know, one before the other, whatever. And so that day we went and you kind of got like a little extra zealous. And I did too, because I volunteered to treat. And treating to us is just like, you know, you want me to buy this for you. Like if we go for ice cream, like you'll treat me.
Right.
You know, sometimes we'll buy each other little gifts for both of them all. We both have our own money, but it's just something about paying for somebody else's need or something that's just like very like intimate and nice.
And we're not like, well, like I just did this for you, so you have to do this for me,
Not
or
at
like
all.
like whatever, like vice versa. Just whoever's feeling.
Generous.
I was being generous, like, hey, I got you. All right, you know, I got you today. So that day, you were like, you know what? We need fresh highlights. I got you. And so we both made appointments to go get some highlights.
We did. And little did I know that my stylist that I had for years, she didn't just meet you, but she really kind of like got to delve into your hair that day. So it's almost like I was invisible that day and you became the muse. And so she just was extremely overzealous with your highlights, and you just had a head full of highlights. So mine were really quick, boom, 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 because I didn't get
so you can get partials or
Right.
you can get fulls. And we always got partials, just like filling in. We got partials. But that day I had showed her a picture of something that I wanted. And she's like, well, this is a full. And so I was like, make it a full, girl. Like, I'll take the full. And not even thinking.
Not even real. And I didn't think either, because I'm never one to be at a loss for words. So I didn't say, wait. You know, I didn't. I was just like, oh, you're going to get the full? Okay. I'm not, you know. And I didn't know. So when I was done, mine was just boom, boom, boom. I was done. I went to go pay so that when it was time to leave, we could leave. And when I went up there and they quoted me the bill, when I went back, you're like, is everything okay? I'm like, no, I am so mad right now. I said, do you know how much that costs? I said, there'll be no eating out. There'll be no extra special things. There'll be no more treating. I said, we are going to be eating cheese sandwiches. I'm like, oh my gosh. I said, I am livid. And so you're like, what? Like what?
And so,
how much was that? Was
girl, typically, like, our highlights, our partials would be like, what, like 90 each? Like 99
exactly, yeah.
The bill came to like $350. So
don't forget, we didn't tip yet.
Pre-tip. Like, of course, we always tip. So, yeah, no. You came back and and I was like, you know, is everything okay? And you were like, I am so mad. And you were like, and I'm like, and basically when she was done, typically we like quickly like throw deep conditioners in our hair, but I just basically wrapped it up and like ran to the car, like, nope. And then when I got home, like, I wanted to put my deep conditioner in because, you know, we get our processes done and then we deep condition. Yeah. And you were in the mirror and your hair basically looked as dark as that, and mine was just like, just highlights everywhere. And I was so scared. I was like, ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it was something. It was really something.
Girl, that's so funny. That is funny.
Yeah. Now, we can laugh about it now, but there was a time, guys, when we couldn't.
We were not laughing.
We were not laughing at all.
Laughing at all. So, girl, where are you in your process right now?
I'm just kind of like sorting it out now.
Okay.
Just kind of like
yeah, mine is in. It looks good. And again, like, people who are like, oh my gosh, like a one and done, like one product, my hair could never, like, you can. Yeah. It's a style as usual. So after this product, however you would style, like, go for it. But this is just it helps, like, you know, protect your hair and reduce breakage and shedding and all of that. Right. So it's just like a nice little extra layer, and it's light. I love light things. So
I do too.
I've already used it as a one and done just to kind of test it before we filmed. Yeah. And yes, I loved it. It was perfect, but
I like the way it feels. I like the way it's doing. I like the way it's kind of like sorting out my hair. I can already see like the shape of it, and it's already.
There's gonna be volume, and
curls,
definitely. And shine,
I can't wait to see what it looks
I'm all about the anti-shedding and breakage protection and all that. Absolutely.
Very cute.
All right, so we are going to let our hair air dry, and we'll be back to show you guys these results. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
And we are back.
But these are not our completed looks yet. Our hair is dry, but we're going to add
hold on, my glasses on, girl.
Oh, girl, I'm sorry, girl. Typical us.
I know. All right, so it's the Intense Hydrating Oil.
Intense Hydrating Oil. If you guys remember, like, if you're like OG MADCURLS fam, I raved about this for years.
Yes, you did.
Yes, I did. And wait, what happened? Remember I left it in the car? And
yes, and my car was stolen, and the main thing you said, what was this?
Yeah, so your car was stolen. Yeah, and they stole oil out the car, and they returned everything but the oil. Boom.
Whoa.
Okay. Is that too much?
No, not at all.
Okay.
You know, I love some product. Oh, it has a nice feel to it. Oh my God, just remember all my old friends.
Oh my gosh.
I love that.
So, I'm going to take serum in the hair. Some volume and some shine. I love,
even though like my hair is already like super shiny, because remember I said before when I was sitting here watching it dry, I'm like, look how shiny it is.
Yes. This girl.
Yeah, I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my pick and pick it on out.
Me too. Pick the top. I am a fan of volume.
Who isn't, girl?
Girl, a little volume. No.
Yeah, I love it.
All right. Oh, girl, it's good.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, hair. Mother's Day do. What it do?
Love it. What y'all think?
This is it. So definitely check out this line, Pantene Gold Series, and their new line, the Hair Repair. Definitely a fan. Love everything about the anti shedding and breakage aspect of it, how it makes your hair stronger. I love all of that. Yes, it's detangling, 69% less breakage.
You know, definitely
sounds fantastic
a good
to me.
addition to the Pantene brand.
And again, you can use this, you know, detangle your hair with it, leave it in, and then you can style with some of their stylers, either like the hydrating butter, or there's a curling pudding, or there's a hair milk. Like, you can style as usual, but this is like a great kind of like little leave-in, little base to have down, and it has so many great benefits to it. So
it's a good line. When I was letting my hair dry, I was kind of like seeing what other products was in the offerings. So I want to try some other things from that particular line.
Maybe the products.
But yeah, no, I love. Oh my gosh, and my hair is so soft. Yeah.
And you can find these products at Target. Definitely like affordable pricing. You know, $7, $8, $6, $9 like that. You know, depending on where you shop, but definally check it out. Check it out. Is that it, girl?
I think that's it.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and hanging out with MADCURLS, the madness of MADCURLS. And we will
see you in our next video.
See you in our next video.
All right. Bye.